Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, what I like to do is to create videos that I would have found helpful when I first got out looking for treasure. This is an eBay lot. Hopefully there's treasure in it. Now, I gotta be honest on this one. I just wanted it. I don't think there's gold in it. I don't even think there's silver in it. This was definitely a seller who was savvy, getting rid of a pile of stuff. Now, why did I buy it if there's no gold or silver in it? Well, there could be. You know, you never really know. When you get a big pile of stuff, sometimes you luck out and there's gold and silver in it. But you ever looking at an eBay auction and you're like, I just want it. I just want to dig through that pile of stuff. And then you hit the button and you pay your 25 bucks. And then you get to have fun digging through the pile of stuff. See what I mean? It is just a pile of stuff. Might be some useful stuff for learning. Might be some stuff for just trying to understand what. Well, we're gonna have some fun figuring things. What does this say? Swiss made. Made in Switzerland, thank you. CF GRAM something? What is it? Aside from being Swiss made. Does it have anything to do with this? Woo! I don't know. That's pretty cool. Guessing it's steel? No? So it looks like this was a bracelet, maybe. It looks like it's probably missing parts. Doesn't seem to be silver. Kind of has a look, but let me... I don't see any marks on it. It's too soft to be silver. It's like a lead, like a pewter or something. Always useful for keeping something in. Oh, nickel silver probably. Swiss. What is it? Does this come off? I don't think so. Is it steel? No? Weird. Set you aside and we'll have another look at you in a sec. What do we have here? Ingersoll Yankee. Oh, that's kind of cool. We'll get you again in a second. That does not look like it was a very expensive watch. Does it wind up and work? That would be hilarious. No. Don't see it as being precious metal and don't see it as being a very high quality watch. Oh, that's a watch. Cinderella. Plated bezel, stainless steel back. That is a very cheap watch. Does it run? Nope. There is a spigot. Looks like it attaches to something. Looks like it was silver plated. Crazy necklace. It's got some glass, it's got some plastic, it's got some wood, it's got some rhinestones. Looks like somebody was disassembling a bunch of watches here. Yep, nothing like old though. A little quartz watch movement. Yeah, it looks like the leavings of a lot of watches. Particularly a lot of modern watches. Oh, some of them are a little bit older. That definitely had some age to it. Oh, and this guy is not particularly new. That's a Waltham. Now, you know, Energizer. Maybe that is newer than it looked. Okay. Faith? That's probably... Oh, where'd my magnet go? I'm gonna have to get a backup magnet. Nope. Oh, that's cool. Looks like it's a bit off of some old piece of Victorian jewelry. Best fit. That's a cool little thing of beads. Looks like those are some more beads. A little bit of a chain. Best fit. A little more bit of rolled gold or gold plate off of some sort of old Victorian something. Looks like, oh, probably like gold fill off of a watch links, be my guess. Couple plastic crystals. Huh. Some kind of machine shop tool. Definitely lots of little bits. Batteries. Nope. I don't think that's going to end up being gold. Very nice little tie tack, though. Cute little handle. Oh, this is, you know what? My machining buddy's going to be happy. This has, oh, this is probably for watchmaking. I wonder if that's what that other thing is for. But yeah, this is, I think this is maybe a watchmaking, it's like a block, and if you need to, I don't know, round off something possibly, or hold something. Another cute little handle. Antelope skull pendant. A little more jewelry pieces from like Victorian. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna set that aside. There's I think they call that a barrel. That's for a watch. It's got like the mainspring in it. Some more beads. These cute little things. We're gonna hang on to those. And a few more watch parts. Slightly older watch case. Oh. Rolled plate. That's pretty good, actually. I don't know if it pays for the whole thing, but that goes into our gold fill material. It's got some gold on it. We may have to acid test that too and sort of see what happens. All right, well, that's what happens in a video when you just want to grab something off of eBay. With that, I'll leave you, and I will tell you that I hope you learned something that you can use to go out and find some treasure.
Like this, I've been Thomas.